Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So guys, how are you? I hope you're fine, doing fine. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to um, fix every problem in Zoom Cloud Meeting app. So if you are facing some problem in Zoom Cloud Meeting app, like if your Zoom Cloud Meeting app is not opening, not logging in, or any type of problem, network connection problem, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you five uh, tips that you can fix your problem. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and then one like and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So guys, first step is what you have to do is you have to go to uh, Google Play Store. You have to go to Google Play Store, and after going to Google Play Store you have to type here Zoom. So after typing here, just click on search, and then you can see here if your Zoom Cloud meeting apps is asking for an update, you have to update, and then you can check it out whether it is working or not. So if it works, then it's fine, and if it doesn't work, then the second step is I will show you what you have to do here. Second step is you have to go to your mobile settings, your phone settings, and then after going to phone settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and then you can see here one you can see apps or app management or something like that, install apps or something, like this option you will find. So just tap here, and then you can see here manage apps. So just click on manage apps, and then wait, and then we'll check it out here what you have to do. So guys, you have to see for Zoom application here. Let's check it out. Where is my Zoom? Here it is. So what you have to do is we have to click on the Zoom here, and then you can see here an option, clear data option. You have to clear the data, and also you have to stop the force here, force stop option. So after doing this, you can see here app permission. So just click on the app permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. So after allowing the permission, you have to go back and restart of your phone and reopen the application. It will work. So guys, if the second problem also doesn't work, then I have again another problem. What you have to do is I will show you in this video. The third problem is you have to go to your um, settings. After going to your settings, what you have to do is you have to go to about phone option. After going to about phone, you have to click on system update, and then check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So my system is not asking for an update, no update available. So if your system is asking for an update, you have to update your phone, and then you can check it out. And again guys, the third step is what you have to do is you have to uninstall your fourth step, you have to uninstall your application. You have to uninstall your application, and then after that you have to install from your Google Play Store again, and then you can check whether it is working or not. So guys, this is the fourth step. And the fifth step, what is this? I will show you. I hope in the fifth step it will obviously it will work for you. So guys, what you have to do is after doing all the four step, if the problem doesn't work solve, then what you have to do, you have to go to Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, what you have to do, after going to Chrome browser, you have to search here in the search bar as Zoom. So after clicking here, you can see a video conferencing and web conferencing. You have to click here, and after clicking here, what you have to do is you have to click on this three that you can see here. So just click on the three days, and then you have to click on desktop site. So just click on the desktop site, and then you can see here you will find what it is taking a time. You can see here you will find an option here, a meeting option. So just click on the meeting option. After clicking the meeting option, guys, I'm sure that you will find an option here as sign in option. So I have already signed in. So now guys, I will show you my account here. So guys, let me just refresh it, and then let me just click on sign out option. So after clicking to sign out option, you can see here this is sign in option. You can see here you will find this sign in option. So just click on this sign in option. Let me just sign in, and then I will show you. You have to enter your email and password, and then sign in. After clicking here, you can see my Zoom. You can see here this is my account. So just go to this account, and then let's check it out. You can see this is my account. So after this you have to go to support option. You can see here support. support center option. So after going to support center option, what you have to do is you have to register every trainings here. So after registering, you have to go back to your Zoom, and then you can check it out whether your Zoom is working or not. So guys, this is how you can fix Zoom not working problem. Thank you.